Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to increase speed on Reels in Instagram Edits app. So first thing is just simply open the Edits app into your device. And now from here, just simply select the plus icon over here and select a video from your gallery and just simply select the check icon on the top right corner. And now it will import your reel. Now, to increase the speed of your video, first thing, as you can see, when you go to the tools down below, you will have a limited options. So these are the general tools. But when you select a video from the editing, as you can see, the editing tools are different now. So from here, as you can see, you will have different options from the video and you will have here the speed icon. So select the speed and you could just simply adjust the speed up to 10 times and the slowest will be zero point 0.1. And once you have done or selected your preferred speed, just simply select the check icon and it will speed up the video. So pretty much this will be how to increase the speed on Reels. There you go. Once you are done, just simply select export on the top right and see ya.